Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my daily Wordle tutorial. 9:29 a.m. Friday, August 14th, 2026. TGIF, happy TGIF. Wordle 1882. In that year, Thomas Edison started the world's first power plant, electric, in Lower Manhattan. Yeah, how could somebody be that smart to figure that out? And happy World Lizard Day. We've got those little skinks that run around our porch here in Virginia. They're pretty cool. And they eat a lot of insects too. They're pretty harmless. They're pretty cute, but they won't let you get near them. They're really quick. So we're going to go with I do the 4 vowels again. Okay. And wow, we got the E and the D, both tan, not in those respective positions. And look, A, I, and U all out already. That's big. Let's just make ETAOIN SHRDLUC system. It'll be in the description for memorize. Now remember, Wordle only reuses a word once every 10 days, so look for that new word. So now per my algorithm, we make order of these 2 letters and 3 of these letters. So plug them in. E, T, E, ended. Erode, E-R-O-D. That works. Don't want to guess that double E, but we got to find that new word. No, erode's out. The steed, S-T-E-E-D. The horse was a fine steed. Yes, steed. Stead, steed, all both been used. Okay. Shied, shooed, S-H-O-E-D. Shooed, S-H-O-E-D. The Wordle doesn't end in D or S usually, though. So we could use it as a last resort if... See, shoot is available between shoal and shore, but you have to see the Wordle doesn't usually end in the D, plural or past. So, let's go through the alphabet. Not really seeing much. We're already at 2 minutes. A, B, C, D, E, F, defer. Defer. It's been used. Boy, you start to find that new word, but you find it, you got a good chance. That's it. E, F, G, fried. Green tomatoes. G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Boy, not much. I'm just not seeing much. Dense, D-E-N-S-E. Dense works. Dense has been used. Okay. At this point, we're going to go with shooed. It's not going to be that, so we're going to sacrifice to get a chance to get it in 2, and hopefully that leads us to 3. See what we're doing, kind of the backup plan. Okay, we got the O there. Now we know the D's here, and see, it couldn't have been chewed because the E's there either. So after the second guess, review vowels, A, I, and U out, got the O and the E. Sometimes Y maybe still there. Excuse my system again, ETAOIN, SHRDLUC, S-H-R-D-L-C. So now we make a word with these 3 letters, 2 of these letters, so T, 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 L. Okay, let's put the D here. D, drone. The algorithm is pointing us straight to drone. D-R-O-N-E. See that? D-R-O-N-E. The algorithm is pointing us straight to drone. Drone's been used. Boy. D, something. Drove. Drove's been used. Let's put the E here. O-D-E. O-D-E. What ends in O-D-E? Erode. E-R-O-D-E. Yep, there you go. Erode. Did I say that already? Erode. What words end in O-D-E? Boy, not many. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Geode. Geode, I know that because I'm taking a space science remote sensing class, and geodes are rocks with hollow, and they may have some crystals in them. And the remote sensing satellites, they're up in low Earth orbit. They don't sense them real well because they're hollow. So that's one thing I know they don't work well with. So G-O-G, so hold on to that. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. I mean, we just studied that. Q, Q, R, S, T, Stowed? Why, there aren't that many words that end in ODE? Erode, geode, GX. Well, let's check geode first. G-E-N. Yes, geode is available between genre and ghost, of course. Wow. So maybe my space science class is about to really help here. Because not a lot of words end in ODE. And look at that. So there you go. So that's it. Yesterday's Wordle, we got in 2. First time in 11 days. I'll give away 5, 4, pi, 3, 2, 1.5, 1 was. Geez, now I can't remember. What was it? Well, anyway, you can go look at my video. See, that'll give me another view. I need the views. Well, that's it. See you tomorrow.